So if you've been following me since the beginning, watching my videos and my shorts, you know I love to paint portraits. And I would love to challenge you in this video to paint an expressive and colorful portrait. But hey, don't you worry, I will be with you in the whole process, and I will even give you some tips in this video on how to paint expressive, colorful portraits. So hey, let's meet in the next clip of this video. Let me tell you a little bit more what this is going to be about, and let's do it.
Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, join me because you will learn how to paint this into a masterful, colorful portrait. So if you want to know how this turns into a colorful, abstract, vibrant portrait, well, just join me and follow me in the whole process.
So the first thing I advise you on how to paint an expressive portrait, as you can see, I love to start with the cool tones. It's a mapping I'm doing right now, as you can see in the video. I'm mapping my cool tones with the blues, and I am also mapping my warm tones with the reds, with the yellows, and with the light greens. So that's the first thing you need to do. Make a map of the portrait you are doing with the cool tones that will be your shades and the warm tones that will be your brights. Also, as you can see, this is about painting an expressive portrait. A portrait, it's a portrait because of its expression. So try to be very expressive with your palette knife or with your brush stroke. As you can see in the video, I'm being very expressive with the way I use the palette knife, the paint, and everything I can use in my hands, because that's about it, expression. And last but not least, try to be coherent with your colors. Try to unite all those warms, those cools into a whole masterpiece. It's just about combination of colors. And in that mess of colors, you can express a wonderful portrait.